gonna walk straight down like this. What we're doing today is a little something extra that any DIYer should do if they want their lawn to not only pop green, but open that soil up without disrupting the pre-emergent barrier, and that's spray down some aerate. So a lot of you, when you spray out of the ortho, you can, first kink, you can walk fast or you can walk slow. It's really up to you and how you calibrate yourself and what works for you. That's the cool part about all this. On top of penetrating the soil, opening it up, not disrupting the pre-emergent barrier, and breaking bonds in the soil and all that cool stuff, it really does add a nice extra color pop of green in the springtime, which is really nice. You're gonna have to stay tuned to see what that looks like, but I can tell you from experience, I'm a professional. I use this stuff as an upsell on my lawns, the ones that do it compared to the ones that don't. Massive color pop, okay? Nice and easy, not too complicated, which is nice. Just come on through here. That first pass in. Now, a question I get a lot is, do I need to water this in after? Now, my answer is going to be the same with all the N-Ext products. If you're spraying specialties like the RGS and the AIR8, Humic 12, it's a good idea to get those watered in if you can, because when you do, it gets down into the soil easy and starts to do its thing. But if you can't, it's not the end of the world. It's going to work well anyway. But if you want to hedge your bets, water it in for 5 to 10 minutes if you're able to. If not, no big deal. Coming to the end of our AIR8 mix here. And done. There you go. Liquid AIR8 on the lawn. Nice, easy, quick. There's so many different ways to apply it. We actually do have quarts available with hose ends that come with them. So if you're looking for that option as a DIYer, boom, your simplicity of application just went through the roof. Those links will be down in the description below for you to check out. But yeah, in order to see how green this is going to get, I recommend you subscribe, see how that's going to turn out. As far as the fertilizer application goes that we did here to get the lawn pumped up for spring, I recommend you head over to the Jake the Lawn Kid channel for that to see all that information. We'll leave all that right here. And if you click this button, you're going to be learning how to get the best lawn with the N-Ext products. Check it out.